My 2026 goals include more community building within the artist community of Bend. There are incredible local artists here in Bend, and I want to be able to continue to meet them, collaborate with them, and simply build community with them. I also want to grow my art curation part of the business and collaborate with more of those artists to really be able to do that within a lot more of the office buildings that are popping up all around Bend. I also want to do more art experiences. I had so much fun doing art experiences with Porsche Bend, Epic Aircraft, and Furnish Hope, and I'd love to do more of those within the community. And then lastly, really refine more of my social presence as I have been working on updating my website in the latter part of 2025. So those are really the big areas of focus for 2026.